Welcome back. Today we're going to be checking out the powerhouse AI platform that is HeyGen, because they've just released a new product called Avatar 4. And honestly guys, this is one of the best video from image pieces of software out there when it comes to AI. Honestly, it has blown my mind. It's about to blow your mind too. Let's dive into the video. So here we are inside HeyGen, and we're just going to go ahead and get on with Avatar 4 here. So as you can see, it says upload an image. We're going to upload one of our images, make sure it is the right resolution. Unfortunately, these guys still don't have crop involved in this, but it's okay. We will just use the portrait version here. Then it's going to give us a script. We can try a sample here just for the example's sake, and then we can select a voice. I do have my own voice in this, so I'm going to select that, but you can also make your other voices and use voices from HeyGen's library as well. I'll show you that later, but let's just generate this video and see the result here. So this is the result. As you can see, it looks incredibly realistic. It even looks better and more natural than I look. So that's pretty interesting. But yeah, this was only going to get better, guys. Honestly, this is a fantastic product, and you can use this for all types of things when it comes to making money. I mean, you could use it for Instagram models, that kind of niche. You could use it for adventure content. You could use it for presentational content. You could even use it for content like I'm doing right now. And honestly, guys, if it gets good enough, I'll probably replace myself and do it with this. I'm just waiting for AI voices to really catch up here, right? But overall, fantastic product so far. What else do we have here that we can look at? So here you can actually create your own avatar, and it's basically you can make yourself like I've done here. So yes, this is obviously half a recording of me, but they're taking that recording and making AI out of it, so I could input text and then it would essentially change it to me saying it in this. But I think this is incredibly realistic. Let's move on to the next thing, which I know you're gonna love. So let's see how we can use Avatar 4 to actually make greeting cards, this type of e-card thing, which is monetizable, guys, but also great to just send to your family. So here we have a picture of Einstein. We're going to put in a joke here about science, and then we're going to select a voice. For this case, I don't want to use my own voice. We are going to integrate a third-party voice, so let's just listen to some of those. We're going to type in old voices here. Hopefully it gives us a decent voice. Let's listen to one of these.
Here's how I sound. Hope you like it.
Okay, he was young.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it.
Okay, I think that's perfect. There isn't actually a German voice, but this is close enough. I think it's South African. Let's generate this video and see where we go from here. So this is the finished result. As you can see, pretty good.
My friend submitted a theoretical paper on relativity several years ago, told me it has finally been published. I said it's about time.
Pretty good. Terrible joke, but pretty good. Now, if we go to the HeyGen Labs, this is where the experimental features are. And one thing I did want to highlight is the fact that you can actually get instant highlights from your own videos using this platform. So if we select instant highlights here, and then we put in a URL, what we can do is find one of our videos and instantly create shorts and other content, clip format content out of this. So we can actually select the language here that is going to detect on the video. Obviously, we're going to pick English, and then we're going to put in a URL. Then we hit get highlights, and you can see all of the different options here. So we've got the clip duration, which would basically just be the duration of the clip. Okay, we have the aspect ratio, whether we want it in this format or we want it in a vertical format for short form content, or square if it was going to be for IG or foldable phones type of thing. We can actually have captions implemented onto this, and as well as that, we can actually give instructions for parts of the video we want to highlight. So we could type in the part of the video where I say this, or we could even put timestamps in this section, and this AI will actually go out there and find those clips for you and find the best parts of it to create short form content or any type of content that we want here. And I think that as technology is fantastic, particularly in the content universe that we're living in right now, which is a massive economy and everything is based around content. So yeah, this is great for making money online, and everything we've talked about today is also really, really decent. So that is it for this video, guys. Definitely check out HeyGen in the description. Let me know what you think of this and how we see the future going for AI. But that is going to be it from me. I will see you in the next one.